interrupted with the Libexpat.dll blocking your multimedia or imaging software workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Libexpat, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the Libexpat, the Expat XML Parser library. It provides unmanaged routines for stream-oriented XML parsing, facilitating the data link between metadata and application manifests. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. For errors involving Libexpat, the best approach is to re-establish your legacy gaming runtimes. Utilize the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime installer to restore missing DirectX files, and refresh your graphics drivers if the DLL is linked to hardware acceleration. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Libexpat. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Installing an unverified version of Libexpat.dll is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. One approach to reviewing Libexpat references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Libexpat workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.